Hello everybody, this is Olaf Brand from Kapelan Bio-Imaging. This will give you a short overview of how to handle an application we call LabImage User Account and Data Management, UADM. This application can be used to create or set up user accounts we use in the 21 CFR Part 11 compliant version of the LabImage platform. First of all, we have to log into the user account and data management. Once we're logged in, we see on the left side the so-called schemata, and we have the users applied to these schematas. We use schematas to separate work groups in an installation, so maybe a first work group within a company can use schema 1 and the other one can use the schema 2. So when you log into the LabImage platform, you can select which schemata you want to log into. Below the schematas we have the users, and we see details or options on the right side. So when it comes to the schemata, we have the name, the password length, the definition of special characters, numbers and upper and lower cases, if they should be used or not. We have the password expiration in days, allowed files and so on. All these settings are mandatory when it comes to 21 CFR Part 11 compliant environments. And we have data for users. We have the username, the password, the full name of the user, and several settings for the last login, the password changed, and the expiration date and so on. And we have for sure the roles. There are roles for supervisor, user and viewer. Each and every action which was made within the user account data management is logged into the UADM log file. This log file displays all of the actions that were made. First of all, we created the database, then we created the user account, and we created users. All these actions are logged within the log file and can be used for any compliant documentation of the system. Once all the configuration work was done by your local IT administrator, you can log into the LabImage platform. All the settings that your IT administrator did in the UADM now apply for the login into the LabImage platform. When it comes to user history, password history, and all these settings up to idle time, are all defined within the UADM. Now we're logged into the platform, as you can see here. So all the actions that we made now will be documented into the audit trail. So the regular way to work within the LabImage platform is not different from a normal LabImage platform. We just create projects, select a file to analyze, click on finish. Now we create the project and we'll switch to the analysis perspective. Now we can go ahead with all the regular steps to analyze the gel. We might go for automatic lane detection using several parameters. We can go for edit lanes and bands with specific parameters as well. And when we're done with all the processing, we can save our project. This will pop up a command box where you have a summary of all the steps. We use command templates, which can be defined by a simple text file, to support your command. Once you click on OK, the project will be saved and the audit trail will be created. Therefore, there is another perspective called 21 CFR Part 11. Just click on this and you will see the history of all the projects that are made. You will see there are 2 projects actually that were made, and you can see that this project was in use by 2 users. If you click on the project, you will see the full history in the audit trail. Since the LabImage platform can be based on network databases using multi-user environments, several people can access the project. According to the user rights, users can approve or disapprove projects. Approve process can be done by just clicking on the approve button. You may add your own comment and confirm using your password. Now this project is approved and therefore while protected. We can check in the audit trail if all the actions were recorded successfully. You see that the last action was to approve of the project using this command. As you can see, working with the 21 CFR Part 11 compliant version of LabImage, work is pretty simple. There is no need to switch between different solutions, you just stay within the same software. Now that's for the moment. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll be very pleased to give you a detailed presentation of the features of the new 21 CFR Part 11 compliant version of the LabImage platform.